After more than 5 years in custody in the western Libyan city of Zintan, Saif Al-Islam Gaddafi, the son of Libya's former leader, is free. The Abu Bakr al-Siddiq brigade, which had been holding him since it arrested him in November 2011, has announced that Saif has left Zintan. The brigade says his release is a response to an amnesty decree issued by the parliament based in the eastern city of Tobruk. That decree sets free political and criminal prisoners, including Gaddafi-era officials.
This law includes all politicians and the years after the overthrow of the regime of Gaddafi, and of course this law does not exempt criminal cases.
Saif and his brother Al-Sa'idi are among 73 Gaddafi-era officials who faced charges including premeditated murder of peaceful protesters, inciting civil war, and abusing authority during the uprising that toppled the Gaddafi regime in 2011. Saif was sentenced to death in absentia in July 2015 by a court in Tripoli. The United Nations criticized the verdict and demanded he was handed over to the International Criminal Court, where he faces charges of committing crimes against humanity and war crimes.
This deepens the divide between the government of national accord and the other rival actors, political actors in Libya. There was a statement on the government of national accord's Facebook page condemning the release of Saif Al-Islam Gaddafi, for instance.
Over the past few years, there have been competing governments and armed groups fighting for influence in Libya, but the UN recognizes the Tripoli-based government of national accord. Some Libyans look to Saif al-Islam Gaddafi as a symbol of someone who can bring peace and stability back to their country. But others consider his release a setback to justice and a return to the old days of Muammar Gaddafi. Mahmoud, Abdel-wahed, Al Jazeera, Tripoli.